Okay, welcome back to the channel. Another two 11 plus questions. So the first one, right up here. We've got to work out the cost of each fruit given these two scenarios over here. So we're told that one banana and one apple together costs 50p. So what I'm going to do immediately is actually just change that and make it a bit simpler. I'm just going to use the letter B for banana and A for apple. So I'm going to say a banana plus an apple costs 50p. So that looks a lot neater. And then we've got two bananas and one apple is 80p. So I'm going to line that up right underneath here. So two bananas and an apple costs a total of 80p. Now hopefully you can see that the only difference between these two different sentences is this one has just an extra banana. And we can see that the difference in price here is 30 pence. And so what that tells me then is this banana must cost 30p because that's the only difference from here to here. So that's what's causing that 30p difference. And now if we know that a banana costs 30 pence, we know a banana and apple together is 50 pence. And so to work out the price of an apple, that would just be 20p because 30 plus 20 would give me 50 pence. And that's the first one done. Now we can do something very similar with the next one. So we've got one plum and one nectarine is 50p. So we'll start by writing maybe p plus n equals 50p. I'm going to put it as 0.50 for the moment. And then we've got 3 plums plus 4 nectarines is £1.80. So we'll have to do 3 plums, that's 1, 2, 3 plums, and 4 nectarines, so 1, 2, 3, and 4 nectarines. Cost £1.80 in total. Now, why was this one so easy to compare versus this one? And that was because we had the apples that were exactly the same. And then we knew that the difference here was just that one banana. So what we could do here is if we know one plum and one nectarine is 50p, what if we bought that 3 times over? Then we'd get a total of 3 plums and 3 nectarines. So if I bought 3 plums and 3 nectarines, that's going to cost me 3 times as much money. That would be £1.50. Now if I just get rid of this and we focus on the two new sentences that we have created, can you see that all of this matches up absolutely perfectly? And the only difference between the two sentences now is 1 nectarine. So this difference in price, which again happens to be 30p, must be the cost of 1 nectarine. So a nectarine is 30p. And then again we know that a nectarine and a plum together is 50 pence, and therefore the plum must be 20p. And there we go.